Did you know that you can sell products with your AI agent? Well, let me show you how right now. What's up everyone, welcome to Jotform. On this video, I am going to show you how to sell products directly inside of your Jotform AI agent. So let's get started. This is my main workspace, and to get started, we are going to select the AI agent that we want to create products and start selling products from, okay? So in this case, I am gonna use this one, which is Brewster. It's my testing agent. So I'm gonna click on Edit Agent, and this is going to take me to the AI agent builder. Now what I'm gonna do next is jump into the training section. Inside of here, there's an option that says tools. Let's go ahead and select it. And inside of here, we are gonna search for sell products. And it's this option right here. Let's go ahead and select it. And once we are here, we are ready to set up the process to sell products. So the first option is add a product over here. So we got the products listed over here, and we can create a brand new product or edit the products that we've created. Now in this case, I'm going to add a brand new product, and I'm going to name my product, for example, t-shirt. And the price for this t-shirt is going to be $40, all right? I can change the currency here in case I am selling products in a different currency. Just go ahead and select the currency that you want to sell with. Then the description for this purpose. For example, this is going to be a Jotform t-shirt. Okay, here we go. And now I can add an image. I can upload an image from my desktop. I can select from images that I've previously uploaded. So in this case, let me go ahead and search for this. And I'm going to select this sweater from Jotform. Let's go and select this, and I'm good to go. I can add more images if I need to. In this case, I can do auto scale images in case it's a wide angle image or a vertical. It'll auto scale it. Okay, so here we go. Now we're going to jump into the options tab. In this section, we can select the add quantity selector. So if you only want to sell one product at a time, don't enable this option. If you want to add a quantity selector to sell more than one product, go ahead and enable this. Select the label for this. Quantity is fine, but you can change this. Then the quantity range. So you can set a minimum, maybe 2 pieces will be the minimum, and then we can add the maximum amount. So maybe 100 pieces would be the maximum amount. Let's hit back. Then we have the option to add product options. For example, in this case, we're selling t-shirts. So we want to give them the option for small, medium, and large. So we are going to say the size options. Here we go. And I'm going to say small, medium, and a large. Here we go. And I can add more values in case I have extra large or extra large, etc. All right. Let's hit back, and we have now the quantity and the size options available for us. Okay. So let's go back right now. We currently have one product that is finished. Let me go ahead and edit this final product right here. So we have 2 products to test with. This one's going to be the red t-shirt, and it's going to be $0. Here's a basic description. Let me go ahead and add the image. Here we go. Let's go ahead and select this, and we're good to go. I'm not going to enable those options for this one. We're going to say it's a universal size fits all. So we're good to go, right? So let's go back. We have our 2 products. Now we can also create coupons inside of here. So in coupons, I can create a coupon for different purposes. Maybe I have some special friends, or maybe a discount that I want to provide to do some more sales. It's up to me. For example, 5 off, and I can set a coupon limit, for example, by expiration date or by number of uses. For example, I'm going to set this to 10 uses. All right. Then I have the discount type. It's going to be percentage based or fixed amount. In this case, it's going to be a fixed amount, and it's going to be for $5. Then we have the applied discount too. For example, just the product, just the shipping, or the subtotal where it's going to include the products and shipping. In this case, just for the product. Okay, let's hit save, and we're good to go. I can create more coupons if needed for percentages or fixed amounts. Then I have the option to create shipping. So for example, if I'm going to enable shipping, I can set it right here. For example, per transaction, a flat rate, or per transaction flat rate. I'm going to set the transaction rate here to $10. Okay, let's do this. Here we go. Now the shipping is going to be $10, and I can also set tax over here in the tax tab. So I can set a base tax, an exempt product, and tax text on the form. So in this case, I'm not going to set the tax, so just for testing purposes. All right, so here we go. We got products, we got coupons, and we got the shipping. Now we want to connect our payment gateway. So let's go ahead and select payments connection. Go ahead and click on app payment connection, and select the payment gateway that you want to connect to. So if you previously connected to a payment gateway, you'll see it listed here. If not, go ahead and add a new connection, and there's several payment gateways available that you can select from. So in this case, I'm going to select one that I've connected previously. So let's go ahead and select it now. I am going to use this one right here. then we need to set the agent prompt. When is the agent going to know when to push this product? So I'm going to tell it that when someone wants to purchase products. I'm going to be really simple about this. So let me go ahead and add the agent prompt. Let's go ahead and save this, and I've enabled this to only kick off when they want to purchase a t-shirt. So if I'm talking about different products, it's not going to interfere in the conversation, okay? So it is now running. If I need to turn this off, I can disable it from here. If I need to rename it, if I need to edit this, and if I need to delete it, I have all the available options right here. So I am good to go to start selling products right from my AI agent. So let's go ahead and preview this agent right now. Here we go. It's getting started. Let me go ahead and say hello. And I'm going to tell it that I want to buy t-shirts. Okay. So let's wait a bit and let's go ahead and tell it. Here we go. Let's go ahead and send this off, and it's going to kick off the selling product option right here in the AI agent. And here we go. We got the product recommendations right here. So we got the red t-shirt and the normal t-shirt. So let's go ahead and add this one to cart. Let's set the size option. I need it medium, and I need the amount. Minimum is 2 because that's what we set. But in this case, I want 3. So let's go ahead and add this right now. Here we go. It's getting added to my subtotal to buy it. And here we go. The t-shirt in medium size, quantity 3 has been added to my cart. And now it's asking me if I want to apply the coupon code. So in this case, I can go ahead and skip, but I'm going to say apply 5 off coupon. All right. So straight from the chat, we are going to apply the coupon code right here. Here we go. The 5 off coupon has been applied. Would you like to change the coupon to proceed? So in case I have another coupon, I can go ahead and proceed by adding a different coupon code. In this case, no, I want to continue with the purchase process. Here we go. I got my order summary right here. I'm good to go. I'm going to go through the payment process, and this is going to kick off the details that I'm going to need to offer the shipping. So I need to add my details for the billing details, the payment method, and I'll be good to go. So here's a t-shirt. Here's a discount for each one of the pieces with the 5 off coupon code. Once I fill everything out, go through the payment process, and I just sold products straight from the AI agent. Now, the good thing about this is that it's a super smart agent that we can highly customize to offer the right products at the right time with a lot of customization straight from your Jotform AI agent. So what are you waiting for? Sign up right now for Jotform and start building your AI agent and start selling products straight from your agent. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that little bell notification to get notified when new videos come out. And that is a wrap.